Hi guys, if you are a face pack freak just like me and like to apply it every single day, then this video is meant for you. Hi, my name is Payal and in this video I'm sharing my top 5 favorite face pack which is meant for oily and acne prone skin. So if you want to know which all made it to my top 5 favorite, then please keep watching. We'll start from the highest price to the cheapest one. Now the very first one which I'm going to talk about is the most expensive among 5, and this one is from the brand L'Oreal. This one is their pure clay mask. Now I have reviewed this product in depth. If you really wanted to watch that, then the link is over here. You can just click the link and watch the video. This product is great for oily and acne prone skin people. I would recommend you guys to apply this face mask twice in a week, not more than that, else it will make your skin extremely dry, but it actually extract all the impurities and it will leave your skin extremely clean. That is the thing which I like about this face pack. Now talking about the second one is my ultimate favorite face pack. If I can recommend you any one face pack, then this one is going to be the one. This one is Iraya Kumkumadi Radiance Mask. It is great in order to give you lighter, radiant and glowing skin. Now what I like about this face pack is that the fragrance is amazing. The price of this one is 545 rupees. It is Kumkumadi, that means it will actually fight even the blemishes and all those marks onto your face. And I have completed the whole product. That means I'm already in love with this product. As you guys can see, it's all over. And the only con I can think about this product is that it is a glass bottle, so it's a bit risky, and similar thing was with the L'Oreal one as well. But apart from that, I love this product and you can apply it every single day. It won't make your skin dry and it will at the same time will give you a glowing skin. So if you are a person who wants to get rid of blemishes and want to get a glowing skin, then this face mask is meant for you. Now the third face pack is again from the brand Iraya. Now one thing I would like to share is that I love the packaging of Iraya brand. Now this one was in a glass bottle, whereas this one is a clay jar, which I absolutely love. Now this one is meant for acne skin people. They have mentioned it over here. The product comes into a polythene. You can mix the product with a milk or a rose water. Since I am an oily skin person, I opt for rose water over a milk because milk nourishes your skin and gives moisture, which I don't need it. I'm fine with the rose water itself. Now I would suggest you to mix the product and keep it at least for 10 to 15 minutes before putting it onto your face. And one more thing I would like to suggest you is that opt for this face mask in the night. Don't apply this face mask before applying a makeup because it will leave a tint of yellow because it contains turmeric, which is antiseptic. So I won't suggest you to apply this face mask before applying makeup. However, I would suggest the previous two, but not this one because it leaves the yellow residue which you won't like. So this is great especially for night routine. Now coming towards the fourth face pack, and this one is from the brand Himalaya. Let me tell you one thing, Himalaya owns, or I should rather say Himalaya provides amazing face packs for dry, normal, oily, acne skin people. So if you are on budget, then please opt for Himalaya products. They actually gives you amazing result. Now this one is Clarina, and this one is their anti-acne face pack which controls oil, cleanses pores and clears skin. If you have extreme case of acne, I will suggest you this product because you will see a difference. You don't have to prep your skin in terms of mixing anything. This is like ready to go for. You just wash your face, apply this face mask every single night, and you will see a difference within a span of 15 to 20 days. Trust me on that. And the price of this one is 100 rupees. This is a great product and it's easily available at any Himalaya store. Now coming towards the last and the cheapest face pack of this video, and by cheap I mean in terms of price, not in terms of quality, and this one is from the brand Patanjali, and this one is their Divya Kanti Lep. Now let me warn you guys that it smells very bad, but it delivers the result, so I'm going to take that thing because it will show me the result. Now the problem with this one is that it will give you the residue of turmeric powder. That means your face will feel a bit yellow, so I won't recommend, just like the other one, applying this before makeup, but then you can apply this one in the night. You have to mix it up with either rose water or milk, whatever you want to opt for. I always opt for rose water compared to milk because I don't want the nourishment. I want it just to get the consistency so that I can apply it onto my face. The price of this one is 70 rupees and it's worth every single penny, so you have to try this product. That's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, then do thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. If you want me to do any kind of top 5 favorites like shampoo, conditioner, which I've already done, shampoo and conditioner is coming soon, but if you have any kind of suggestion, please let me know in the comments down below. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. All the links will be in the description box. At the last I'll say take care and stay pretty.